My name is Harry Dresden, Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the door. Now, or I will end you. Do you understand me?